Okay, white chocolate mousse, let's go. Run the intro. Welcome, lovers of food and life. My name's Jen, and this is the channel dedicated to all things food, travel and culture, mainly food, and I'm here to encourage you to taste and see the world. Okay, so today I have a white chocolate mousse for you with a passion fruit topping, and this is similar to a dish I created whilst I was hosting an event out in Zanzibar. So it brings back memories of being by the beach, East African sun, all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd share this with you since as of the time of filming, it's actually summer. So this makes a really good summer dessert. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it.
Okay, for our mousse we will need eggs, double cream, passion fruit, caster sugar, and of course white chocolate. Okay, let's turn our heat up and get this chocolate melted. We'll be using a bain-marie method, which simply means placing our chocolate in a glass bowl over a pan of boiling water. And in time, you'll find the texture changes to look like this. Once it does, simply leave your chocolate aside and we'll work on separating our eggs. Here's how not to do it. If you do find that your egg yolk falls into your egg whites, simply use the shell and scoop that up. So let's try again. You want to move your egg yolk in between your two halves of your eggshell until you find that the egg yolks and the egg whites are fully separated. Now we're going to whisk our egg whites until they change from this to this and then eventually look like this. And your egg whites are said to be ready once you can hold the bowl over your head, and that's me demonstrating that for you. Okay, so double cream now into a separate bowl, and we're going to whisk that until it resembles Greek yogurt. We then combine that with our melted white chocolate and then take a third of our whisked egg whites and we're going to beat that into the mixture. We then take our second third of egg whites and now we fold that in. It's really important that we fold to incorporate air into our mousse. We then take the last third of our egg whites and continue to fold until our mixture is fairly smooth and free of lumps. Now, at this stage, I decided to use a piston funnel to place the mousse into my glass, which was slightly unnecessary. So I then changed and decided to spoon that in instead, which I would recommend. Okay, now for your passion fruit, I took the tip of the knife and used that to pierce the skin, which I found is the best way to deal with passion fruit. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, next you simply want to scoop the passion fruit over your chilled mousse. So you need to make sure that your mousse is chilled before you do this. And there you have it. White chocolate mousse with a passion fruit topping. Try this out and let me know how it goes. Merci, Imela, Asante sana. Bye.